Over the past 6 to 9 months, we've seen just a tremendous amount of signals and signs that the more value and cash flow oriented companies are getting more attention on the part of investors, institutional investors that have all the money to allocate and make the markets move. A very good way of expressing and showing this to everyone is by looking at Procter & Gamble versus Tesla. You look at Procter & Gamble here, which is the candlestick chart at the top, and you compare that versus Tesla in orange. You can see Tesla basically peaked in 2021, and Procter & Gamble has been dramatically outperforming that stock. If you look at this through the lens of pure performance, even just year to date, Procter & Gamble is up 14%, Tesla is down 30%. That's a delta of 45%. And the reason I'm bringing this up is not because I think Tesla's a bad company, but to just make it clear that it is important to understand that just because a company might have future prospects, one might believe in Tesla's future prospects, I'm just trying to make a point here, it does not mean that that stock is going to make money every single month, every single quarter. It can underperform for a long period of time. Okay, so that is really, really important to understand. And a 45% delta is going to take a decent amount of time to make up in order for Tesla to come back. So it really helps to understand this environment. It's not all rainbows and puppy dogs as much as people tend to think. There is clear evidence that institutional investors are gravitating more towards cash flow oriented companies paying cash flow, not a future promise of something. And a lot of that has to do with higher interest rates. That's something we're going to look at this week in our special presentation. We're going to show you how we can determine when some of these moves are happening, when it would be time to switch into Procter & Gamble and maybe out of Tesla for a trade, and maybe when it's time to switch places once again. So we're going to focus on that this week using our Market Rover proprietary technology. We'd love to see you there. You can find out more about that on the link down below or on the next screen. Hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next video.